Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Solana. I wanted to keep you updated on that. There's some interesting developments you need to know about. In general, we're entering a new week, which will be very volatile. So just wanted to go over all the possibilities are here. And what the possibilities are, and talk about opportunities, but also just in general what to expect. So let's get right into it. First of all, Solana, in general, the situation since the last time I covered it is still the same. We're holding this last line of support at 165. That's kind of the last level before we're going to drop down into this level here around 145, the POC of this previous range. Which preferably we don't want to drop back down into. I'm a little bit, my nose is a little bit stuffed. I'm sorry, it wasn't before I started talking in this video, so hopefully you can forgive me. But that's not what we want to do, but that is still the risk, all right? Because even though Solana has been able to hold this support level as expected, I mean, that's what I've said for the last couple of days, the main resistance level here at 180 has not been broken, and we actually rejected from there. And then outside of that, I mean, the fundamentals for Solana is still suffering from everything that happens on there with the meme coin and shitcoin launches. And it's losing some of its shine, I suppose. You can see, for example, here that the DEX trading volumes have dropped down to $2 billion. Now, that's very low, right? That's the lowest point it's been at, I think, since the start of November, when all the bullish momentum started. And then what you can also see is that the TVL is stable, but DEX trading volumes dropping down actually is not great. So yeah, fundamentally Solana is not that strong. And then what we also see is that there's still a huge dump of positions. You can see the open interest since Friday evening has still decreased a massive amount, even though if you take a look at the open interest across the markets, like it's not going up, obviously, in the weekend. But at least it's stable. So people are still getting out of their leverage positions on Solana. Now, this is also where I do want to get a little bit more positive. Because what you can see is that there is a bullish divergence here between the open interest and the RSI and the price. The price and the RSI are both making higher lows since the bottoms we've made on Friday. While the open interest is dropping down lower. So there does seem to be some sort of a spot bid coming into Solana, which is supporting this level at 165. So yeah, the question is still very difficult, right? Because the main question is we have 180 right here, we have 160, 164 right here. One of those two levels is going to break. Which one breaks first is going to determine the move that will follow, right? And the structure that follows after that. I would say, given the way the support has been defended, and given how I look at Solana still with all the fundamental prospects in 2025, such as the ETF, which I do think is coming, I still think it's most likely we're going to get this bullish breakout and that we can actually consolidate up here on top of 180. I don't expect us to get bullish all of a sudden, and I don't expect us to rally. I do still think it's most likely we'll reclaim that and consolidate a bit higher. So at this point of time, because of the way this bottom has been defended, because of the fundamentals that I still do think Solana has, I think this is most likely. Will I buy because of this? No. All right, because it's like this has like a 60% chance, and then there's like a 40% chance or a 30% chance, 10% chance that will just stay in here for a long time. That will drop down lower. I mean, if the market opens bad tomorrow, we'll drop down lower. All right, because at some point of time the strength from the support level is gone, and I think we're close to that point. All right, so this is kind of assuming some sort of a decent start of next week. I'll keep you updated on this. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.